In this video, I'm going to show you how to add portfolio notes on Finviz. Now to do this, of course, you want to go to portfolio first up top, and you want to switch to your portfolio which you want to manage. So I have one over here. It's just a tutorial portfolio I created for the purpose of this video. Of course, you can also create a new one if you wanna. I'm just gonna use this one for now. Then there's three types of notes you could actually use. The first one is next to your portfolio name. It says add description. So we can open this and you can go and basically type in your notes over here, okay? And whenever you save this, it's going to show these notes or this description of your portfolio just below your portfolio name above everything you have in here, okay? That's the first way to do it. Then the second type of notes you can add into your portfolio are these. When you actually hover over a specific ticker over here or asset, you can go to the very far right, click on the three dots and click on add ticker note. Now in here you can type in whatever you want, of course, as your note and click on save, and that's going to give you a note which you can view if you hover over here. As you can see next to the ticker symbol, you can go and hover over this kind of chat pop-up window and it's going to show your note, or you can go to customize up top and you can go ahead and basically click on show all notes and it's going to show them below your tickers, okay? Which is also quite cool. Now the third one is going to be a transaction note. So if you click on a specific asset, not like this, I made a mistake over here, you have to actually click on it over here where it says trade. So you want to click on here, and then when you're actually adding a trade in here, you can then go ahead and add a transaction note over here like this and click on over here and then click on save, okay? Just like this, it's going to add a transaction note. But if you forgot to do it, so if I just go and add a trade over here, for example, and forgot to add a note, I can go to that specific asset. So for example, this one, I'm going to extend it. I can find the trade, click on the three dots and then edit, and from here I can add my note and type in whatever I want, okay? Then click on save and you've added that note as well. So those are the three notes you can add inside your portfolios on Finviz. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.